want when you go in? Check.
CO meter, tick.
Grab this and grab the CO meter.
When we get off the truck, grab 2 New York hooks. What else, David?
The CO meter, it's this thing.
Isn't there a bunch of people there right now?
I don't know if this is a festival weekend. I've been at the DPW all day. I took Randy's spot there.
Tell Jeremy we're about to be pulling in. Where does he want us? I didn't hear him on the radio.
On Fireground Alpha?
Yeah.
95 engine 2, upon arrival, be careful. You have cars evacuating the area.
95 engine 2 copies. To reiterate, you want us to pull besides the chief's vehicle, correct?
Pull short of the chief's vehicle. Make sure you go to Fireground Alpha upon arrival.
95 engine 2 receives.
County 95-3 en route. 95-3.
Justin,
Yo.
just so you know, on all Green Township calls, we'll be on Sussex County Fireground Alpha.
Fireground Alpha, got it.
That's like our channel. County, you can show 95 engine 2 on scene.
Engine 2 on scene.